If you manufacture building equipment, getting customers to design your product into their building information model is a proven way to increase sales. However, due to the dramatically different approaches mechanical CAD and BIM software take towards modeling, it requires more than just a file export. With Autodesk Inventor, you have access to a complete set of tools specifically designed to help you prepare BIM-ready content, simplifying how you exchange data with your customers. The first consideration is reducing the complexity of the model to just what's needed to properly represent your product in the building design. This not only protects your intellectual property, it also reduces the file size, so it does not negatively impact the performance of the building information model. The selection tools inside of Inventor make it simple to choose which components best represent the size and connection points of your product, and the Define Envelope command further simplifies the model into basic shapes that can be understood by Autodesk Revit. To help resolve the different approaches each discipline takes towards defining and displaying geometry, you can isolate features inside of Inventor that would not be recognized by Revit and further simplify them by removing fine details or filling voids, so that you can be certain that your product will be accurately represented. Adding further detail to the model, you can define system connection points and properties that you want to be available for your customer inside of Revit. Just specify the location of pipe, electrical, duct, and conduit connection points and define the properties of each connection, such as system type, flow, direction, voltages, power supply requirements, and more, providing your customers all the information they need to design the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing connections for your product. The file is exported from Inventor as a native Revit family, so that it can be directly imported into the building information model. Once in Revit, the connection points can be snapped to as pipe and conduit runs, and all the metadata of the overall product and connection points is visible to the building designer. With Autodesk Inventor, you have access to a complete toolset that makes the task of exchanging data between two fundamentally different modeling systems simple. You protect intellectual property and increase sales, all the while making it easier for your customers to finish the design of their project.